Buckle up, because 2026 is the year flying cars have gone from being just a dream to a reality. In this video, we're going to be showcasing 20 amazing flying cars that have actually launched this year. We'll be looking at their speeds, their looks, and their usability, as well as which of these flying cars is making the most waves around the world. So, get ready to see the future taking flight, literally. Number 1. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is a personal eVTOL aircraft. It is meant for recreational purposes. The aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 102 km per hour, limited by its software. It can fly for about 20 minutes. The aircraft can cover a distance of up to 11 miles at a cruise speed of 37 miles per hour. The aircraft weighs about 86 kilograms. It can carry pilots weighing up to 95 kilograms. It can attain a service ceiling of up to 1,500 feet. The aircraft prioritizes safety with its 8 redundant motors, aluminum safety cell chassis, auto land, radar landing, and ballistic parachute. The aircraft can be flown using a joystick. It is easy to learn how to fly the aircraft. The price tag of the aircraft is about $148,000. Number 2. X-Turismo. The X-Turismo is a luxury hoverbike with a hybrid power source built by Japanese company ARWinds Technologies, formerly ALI Technologies. The hoverbike features low-altitude flight capabilities with a Kawasaki-powered internal combustion engine and electric motors. The vehicle can attain a top speed of 60 to 100 km per hour, 37 to 62 miles per hour, with a flight duration of 30 to 40 minutes. The carbon fiber-made hoverbike has 2 main propellers and 4 stabilizer fans. The vehicle can carry a payload of up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, with a total weight of 300 kilograms, 661 pounds. The hoverbike can hover at 3 meters, 10 feet, above the ground, which makes it highly efficient in off-road, disaster relief, and search and rescue operations. However, it cannot be used on public roads in Japan. The vehicle measures 3.7 meter in length, 2.4 meter in width, and 1.5 meter in height. The limited edition of the hoverbike was priced at around $680,000 to $777,000 US. Number 3. Elio Flight Jetbike. The Elio Flight Jetbike is a compact and personal eVTOL aircraft that allows users to experience the thrill and convenience of flying at lower altitude levels. The aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 60 miles per hour, or 96.5 kilometers per hour, and can reach a height of 15 feet. The aircraft can stay airborne for 10 to 15 minutes on a single charge and measures 6.5 by 6.5 feet, which can fit in a regular garage or a pickup truck bed. The aircraft uses multiple fully ducted electric propulsion systems and can stay at a noise level of 80 decibel, making it a safe and convenient option for users who do not need a pilot's license, as it meets FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations. Number 4. Cyclotech Cruise Up. The Cyclotech Cruise Up is a 2-seat all-electric VTOL aircraft with short-range capabilities, intended for urban mobility. The aircraft features 6 cyclorotors, which provide 360-degree thrust vectoring. The aircraft has a top speed of 150 km per hour, with a range of 100 km. The aircraft is compact, 50% larger than a car, which allows it to fit in urban infrastructure such as driveways. The aircraft features 6 rotors, which provide the capability to perform sideways, backward, and mid-air braking without tilting. The aircraft also features high redundancy in the event of a rotor failure. The Cyclotech company has been working on the development of the cruise-up technology through demonstrators such as the Bumblebee, which features 360-degree thrust vectoring. The company has been working towards making personal aerial mobility a reality in the course of the century. Number 5. Zapata Air Scooter. The Zapata Air Scooter is a 1-seater, hybrid electric personal VTOL, designed for recreation and fun, launched in the US in 2026. Its carbon fiber structure accommodates 8 propellers and a hybrid electric propulsion system consisting of a petrol engine and electric motors. allowing the air scooter to remain airborne for 2 hours and travel at a speed of 60 miles per hour. As the air scooter meets the FAA Part 103 ultralight criteria, a license to fly is not required. Equipped with a fly-by-wire system and stabilizers, the air scooter is perfect for personal and recreational purposes due to its 112 kilogram, 247 pounds, weight, 120 kilograms, 264 pounds, payload capacity, and 5-gallon fuel tank. Pre-orders for the air scooter begin at $250,000 and can be done at the Zapata flight centers near Las Vegas. Number 6. Bellwether Volar. The Bellwether Volar is an innovative VTOL aircraft designed to revolutionize the field of on-demand urban and regional air transport services. The early prototypes, such as the compact Antelope and the high-end 3-seater Oryx, laid the foundation for the development of the VTOL aircraft. The half-scale prototype successfully completed its maiden flight in Dubai, soaring to a height of 13 feet, 4 meters, and attaining a speed of 25 miles per hour, 40 km per hour. The VTOL aircraft is designed to fly at a speed of 135 miles per hour, 215 km per hour, and cover a range of 200 to 300 miles, 320 to 480 km, or 60 to 90 minutes of flight time. The initial prototypes carry 2 passengers, but the production versions are designed to carry 4 or 5 passengers. The company, Bellwether, plans to launch the VTOL aircraft in the near future for commercial and on-demand air transport services, marking a significant milestone in the field of personal aviation. Number 7. Rise Recon. Rise Recon is an all-electric, single-passenger, single-pass ultralight eVTOL, which is suitable for personal flight, agricultural activities, and surveillance. It is powered by 6 independent motors with swappable batteries, enabling the Rise Recon to achieve a speed of 63 miles per hour, 101 km per hour, with a 25-minute flight time and a 25-mile range. Weighing less than 300 pounds, the Rise Recon can land on both land and water. It has AI-powered flight technology, which allows anyone to fly, including those who are new to flying. No pilot's license is required, as the Rise Recon is classified under FAA Part 103 ultralights. The Rise Recon is suitable for crop monitoring, fence inspection, personal flying, and rescue activities. It is priced at $150,000. Number 8. Urban AeroHT Hawk. The Urban AeroHT Hawk is a highly advanced VTOL aircraft with capabilities for urban air transport, carrying 1 pilot and 4 to 5 passengers. The aircraft cruises at 130 knots or 240 kilometers per hour, with a range of 93 miles or 150 kilometers with hydrogen fuel cells. The aircraft is environmentally friendly with zero emission capabilities. The aircraft is 7.7 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, wingless with internal ducted fans. The aircraft can land in narrow streets where helicopters cannot operate. The aircraft can operate in strong wind conditions with reduced noise. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,250 pounds, or 1,930 kilograms, with FAA Category A safety standards. The aircraft also has a ballistic parachute for emergency situations. Number 9. Jetpack Gen 3. The Jetpack Gen 3 is a highly advanced personal VTOL aircraft with a hybrid power system and advanced design. The aircraft was designed as a further development of previous all-electric dual-rotor configurations. The aircraft now comes with a turbojet electric hybrid power system, aiming to reach a maximum speed of 124 miles per hour, 200 km per hour, while reaching an altitude of up to 10,000 feet. The aircraft weighs 120 kilograms, providing flexibility for personal or light cargo carrying purposes. The flight duration is approximately 20 minutes. The aircraft comes with a self-leveling autopilot system, or 2 joysticks mounted in the armrests. The aircraft's lightweight body, made of aerospace-grade carbon fiber honeycomb material, provides strength while being highly agile. The Jetpack Gen 3 is a highly advanced aircraft in the personal aviation sector. Number 10. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a cutting-edge single-seat flying hoverbike designed by Tomasz Patan, influenced by sci-fi speeder bikes. It has a lightweight 30 kg, 66 pounds, carbon fiber chassis, enabling it to propel itself with a jet-powered, rotorless system. It can fly at 102 km per hour, 63 miles per hour, and has a 95 kg pilot weight capacity with a 10-minute flight time. It has dual joysticks and a fully redundant flight computer, ensuring stable and easy flight. It has an open-air, sleek design with a combination of carbon fiber and 3D printing. It is FAA ultralight compliant, and no pilot license is required. It has autonomous takeoff and landing and can be refueled in under a minute. It is a futuristic personal transport for the adventure-seeking hoverbike fan. Number 11. Lift Aircraft Hexa. The Lift Aircraft Hexa is a single-person personal eVTOL designed for safe and versatile personal flight. It has the ability to carry a 250-pound pilot and has a 432-pound empty weight, including 133 pounds of battery. Flight times range from 8 to 15 minutes for the Gen 1 models, while the Hexa Gen 2 has the ability to reach 30 minutes of flight using extended range batteries. Its 18 independent electric propulsion units allow the hexacopter to safely land and fly despite the failure of 6 of the 18 motors. Additionally, the hexacopter has a triply redundant autopilot system, 6 buoyant landing legs / floats for land and water, and an autonomous ballistic parachute system. It has a maximum speed of 63 miles per hour, 55 knots, and offers next-level safety and convenience. Number 12. Silverwing Personal Flight S1. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 is a state-of-the-art eVTOL that is meant to be efficient, small, and autonomous. It has a cruise speed of 140 km per hour, 87 miles per hour, and reaches a top speed of 120 km per hour. It is capable of carrying a single passenger for a distance of 60 kilometers, 37 miles. It has 2 electric motors that power 2 ducted rotors. The S1 has a tailsitter configuration that allows it to land and take off vertically within a footprint that is much smaller than a sedan. The pilot is seated in a racing position within an aerodynamic cockpit shell. It has a flight time of 30 minutes, a payload of 90 kilograms, high-density batteries, and a canard wing configuration to make it efficient and quiet. Number 13. Cyclotech Blackbird. The Cyclotech Blackbird is an innovative personal eVTOL aircraft designed for urban and recreational flight operations. The aircraft is equipped with 6 electrically driven 7th-generation cyclorotors, which provide efficient vertical lift capabilities. The Blackbird is compact and efficient, measuring 4.9 meters in length, 2.3 meters in width, and 2.0 meters in height, with a maximum takeoff weight of 340 kg or 750 pounds. The aircraft features a lightweight and strong composite carbon fiber fuselage and fixed skid landing gear, making it stable during takeoff and landing operations. The Cyclotech Blackbird achieves speeds of up to 120 km per hour or 75 miles per hour, making it an ideal aircraft for short-distance aerial commuting. The aircraft features the latest technology in rotor design and is a product of the latest innovation in the field, making it a revolutionary aircraft in the field of aviation. Number 14. XPeng X3. The XPeng X3 is a revolutionary hybrid vehicle that allows road and air travel to be combined in one single experience. The XPeng X3 is a 3-axle, 6-wheeled, 5-seat transporter van combined with a 2-person electric VTOL flying module called the X3F. The X3F includes 6 extendable booms with propellers, 2 ducted fans for forward and backward flight, and a lightweight carbon fiber construction. The flying module automatically extends from the rear of the van, which serves as a charging station. Pre-production is currently underway, and there are over 2,000 orders with deliveries to begin in 2026. Redundancy measures are implemented to protect against motor failure, and pilots can select single-stick control or autonomous flight, which has Chinese certification. Number 15. Leo Coupe. The Leo Coupe is a revolutionary electric flying car that promises to bring together speed, safety, and futuristic luxury in a single vehicle. The electric flying car has a cruising speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 250 miles, making it perfect for traveling at high speeds across the country and in the air. The electric flying car's box wing design incorporates 100 small electric jet turbines, making it safe and efficient to travel in the air. The flying car's cabin can accommodate 3 people and includes a floating pilot seat and a luxury 2-seat configuration, making it perfect for a luxurious ride in the air. The electric flying car's price tag of $459,900 makes it a bold step towards the future of flying cars. And that's a wrap on the 15 flying cars that did indeed launch in 2026. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below with your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell to stay up to date with more futuristic tech news. The sky's no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.